Welcome to this easy tutorial for creating your own YouTube effect. In this tutorial, we'll create an effect called Which Animal for you. After 3 seconds of recording, the result will appear. Let's begin. Please prepare the images you want to use, one title image, and several result images. First, click Assets, then click the 3 dots next to Upload, and select Image Sequence. Select multiple images and click Open. Now all images are uploaded as one sequence. Go back to the Objects tab. Click Face Effects, then Face Accessory. Click Add Image, then select and choose the uploaded image. The image is now attached to the face. Scroll down the right panel and find FPS. Set it to 10 or any number you like. Higher numbers mean faster speed. Drag the arrows to move the image. Position it wherever you want, like above the head or below the mouth. Scroll back to the top of the panel. In Size, enter the number to resize the image. Now, let's add the title image using a different method. Click the image icon on the left panel. Click Add Image, then the Upload arrow. Double-click the title image. Adjust its size and position just like before. Now, let's start programming the effect. Click the hand icon on the left. Tap Triggers, then Record. Tap Add Node to open the programming view. The Record node runs when recording starts. Right-click the screen. Select Time and Utility. Then Delay. Delay tells the program to wait before continuing. Connect on start of record to the delay node. If you make a mistake, just click the green line and press the backspace key to delete it. Set duration to 3 seconds or any time you like. Right-click again. Select Time and Utility. Then Image Sequence Player. Connect the delay node to pause on the new node. Click Image Sequence and switch to the Diagnosis Images. Tap the Preview Record button. After 3 seconds, the animation will stop. And now, the random effect is complete. Next, let's make the title screen disappear. Right-click. Select Objects and Properties. Then Set Property. Set Property is a node that lets you change the size or position of an image. Set the object to the title image. Click Select Property and choose Visible. Uncheck the box to make it disappear. Connect Delay to Set Property. Then to Pause. And that's it. Now you've created an effect that shows a random image after 3 seconds of recording. Feel free to change the timing or animation speed however you like. Next time, we'll create a more advanced tutorial for a diagnosis style effect. I'll be sharing more tutorials, so please subscribe to the channel. Have fun creating.